Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to talk about heat map. But what is a heat map? A heat map represents numerical values using colors. As you see the example here. In this example, we are presenting our data using colors. And lighter colors represent low values. For example, we can see a light color here and here. So they represent low values, while darker colors represent high values. For example, we can have a high value here and high value here, for example. And heat maps are usually useful when we are discussing the correlation. In order to understand the correlation, we can use heat map. They can give us very valuable information. For example, the parts that we see darker colors is exactly the parts that we are having more correlation. And it can help us in machine learning, and it will be useful in visualizing geographical or temperature data as well. And also they are very good for comparing categories, different categories over time. So in the following videos, we're going to talk about heat map and how we are going to learn how we can plot them using Matplotlib library. Thank you for watching.